Hello guys, I'm Russell, just call me Kiro, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe, like, and comment. This video I made is how to make YouTube thumbnails. Before I start, if you don't have this app, download the app, search in the Google Play Store, Pixel Lab. If you're done downloading it, of course, open the app. See the three dot guys, touch it and find the image size. Go to custom guys and find YouTube thumbnail. See the plus guys, touch it, choose from gallery. Then choose any image you like. Then choose any of these that fit in your image. And make some space in the left side guys, because there we're going to put some stuff to make our video cool. Like this face. Then drag the image to fit. Look those eyes guys. Then guys, click the box. Then lock it to prevent moving around while you're editing it. Click the pencil and write anything you want to make your video good looking for thumbnail. This is how to make YouTube thumbnail. Then go to E, find AB and arm whistler. Go to shadow. You can make it your own. You can adjust it. You can customize it. Just make it sure that YouTube, the viewer, that make them easy to read it. Go to 3D, and this is awesome guys. 3D. Look at that video guys. So perfect. Lock it guys to prevent moving, like I'm saying that earlier. And put some shark emoji. Just put an image, and that's all guys. Thank you for watching guys. This is Kiru. See you later guys. Thanks. Make sure you're subscribed guys for more video comes from the future. Bye bye.